One Hänel Lockomat, serving as a tool depot, is centrally located in the production building of one of the best-known German engineering companies. The compartment doors of the Hänel system close automatically, while ensuring error-free retrieval and access protection for valuable items in storage. Employees have access to tools, safety equipment, and consumables at any time as needed. Thanks to the compact design of the vertical storage system, valuable floor space can be utilized for manufacturing and assembly processes. The inventory status of items in storage is monitored and constantly updated through an interface with the TDM, Tool Management System. To gain access to tools, employees must verify their identities using RFID smart cards. After identity confirmation, employees can then request specific tools via the computer terminal. All of the stored items are assigned to various categories, which are clearly listed for easy retrieval. When this data is entered, the Lockomat brings the specified tools to the access point. When the container arrives, the specified compartment door opens automatically, so that the employee can remove the tool from the box. The Hänel compartment and sub-level indicators show precisely where tools are located on the container to ensure error-free retrieval. The row and compartment numbers are also shown on the controller display. When an item has been retrieved, the employee confirms the transaction in TDM. The compartment doors of the Hänel Lockomat then close automatically to prevent unauthorized access. Based on the information scanned from the smart cards, the tool management system automatically ascertains the cost center number and bills the cost of the retrieved item to the appropriate department. When items in stock reach low levels, the ERP system requests new supplies to replenish the Hänel Lockomat inventory. The Hänel Lockomat gives shift workers flexible access to items on demand, so that production schedules can proceed without delays. What's more, the Hänel Intralogistics solution reduces the cost of tool storage while optimizing inventory management and security at the same time.